Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable fast startup inside of Windows 10. Fast startup was first introduced in Windows 8 and in a simple summary is basically a mix of traditional cold startup and hibernation. This allows you to turn on your computer faster having Windows startup using a saved hibernation file. Fast startup is enabled by default on Windows 10, but in some cases you may want to disable the feature. One issue you may find is because your machine doesn't perform a regular shutdown, updates may not be fully installed. Others could be not being able to get into BIOS or allowing you to dual boot. Luckily, it's pretty easy to disable. To do this, right-click on the Start menu and select Power Options. If you don't see your startup options here, go to Additional Power Settings on the right. Next, on the left menu, select Choose what the power buttons do. In order to change these settings, select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you can uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup under Shutdown Settings. Click Save Changes and you're good to go. And it's that easy to disable or enable Fast Startup inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quicktech how-to videos.